Okay, guys, let me go ahead and give you the answers, and then we will go over any questions that you want to. Okay, so number 51 is 10 pi inches, or that would be 31.42 inches. 53, theta is 15 over 8, which is in radians. 15 divided by 8, because you guys can't put that in your calculator and figure that out. 1.875 radians would be correct. 52, if you happen to do it, is 5 pi over 2 meters, which is 7.85 meters. .5 pi, is that what you had? That would be equivalent. That's not right. Yes, that's right. You should have multiplied 3 times 150 degrees, but then the 150 degrees you have to change in a radian, so 150 times pi over 180. Is that what you did? Your radius is 3, right? .55 theta equals 4 radians. No, you don't have to write radians. Just make sure you don't write degrees. 58, approximately 12.27 square feet. 59, pi over 9, which is in radians. 60, 12 pi over 5 millimeters, or 7.54 millimeters. 5. We'll go over them, relax. Calm down, it's gonna be okay. 63, theta equals 23.87 degrees. And 69 is, gotta find it here. .69 is 294.52 meters squared. If it doesn't specify, you can do whatever you want. Okay, what numbers do you want to go over? What? Say again? 58. Okay, they have told us to find the area of the sector where your radius of your circle is 6 inches and your central angle is pi over 3. Nope, that's 57. Let's try that again. No, I read the right answer. 58, your radius is 2.5 feet, and your theta is 225 degrees. What's the formula for area of a sector of a circle? Yes. So if you weren't here yesterday, this is one of the new formulas you learned. This is for the area of a sector of a circle. A sector of a circle has a central angle, and then what we're finding is the area of this piece. Okay, so in this case, it's a 225-degree angle, so that would be more like all of this chunk. Okay, and your radius being 2.5. But you just use this formula. The only thing is, with this formula, well, your R, of course, is 2.5. With this formula, though, theta has to be in what? Radians. So we have to take 225 degrees and convert it by doing what? Multiply by pi over 180 degrees. Okay, so what does that give you in terms of radians? 5 pi over 4. That would be not good. Okay, and that would give you, when you calculate this, 12.27 approximately after you round. Please make sure you label units if there are units to be labeled. These are square feet.
Well, like radians, no label.
Correct. But when we're finding area, there's always got to be a label.
Could I label? Could I write radians?
Yeah, you can always write radians. You just don't have to.
What about rad?
I don't care. That's fine. Really?
That's what I was leaving up.
Like, how did I actually calculate it? Yeah, I did 1/2 times 2.5 squared times 5 times pi, and then divided by 4. 63. The pointer on a voltmeter is 6 centimeters in length, so that ends up being your what? Radius. Find the number of degrees. So what are we solving for? Theta is what we're solving for. Through which the pointer rotates when it moves 2.5 centimeters on the scale. What is 2.5 centimeters? That's your arc length. All right, wait a minute. What's the formula? S equals R times theta, yeah. So 2.5, what'd you ask? Yes. So that ends up being 2.5 divided by 6. So you're not really as confused as you think you are. You're just making some poor errors. So what does that end up with? 4.416 repeating. And that's in radians. What answer did I? 5 over 12 is the same fraction, the 0.417. Oh, it did? Okay. So then we need to take that and convert it. 0.417 or 0.416 repeating, sorry. Times 180 degrees over pi. Is 23.87 degrees. Where did the pi go? I divided by the pi button. So I did 0.41, I took this right out of my calculator, times 180 degrees, and then actually divide by pi. Because we don't ever want to leave pi in our answer for degrees. Okay, so any questions, quiet guys, about the things you're expected to be able to do for this quiz? Yes. Anything? No? All right.